Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Karen Tapang, 34 years old, single. I have 3 kids, 16, 14, and 12. I'm high school graduate. I was worked at Bahrain as 2 years and 1 month as a household workers.
Finish contract.
British contract.
How about second employer?
I was worked at Saudi Arabia as a housekeeping, 3 years and 7 months. Finish contract.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
Take care of the kids, 3 years old, and cooking, feeding her, and ironing, washing clothes, sometimes cooking.
How about second employer?
Saudi Arabia, I'm housekeeping, washing clothes, clean the house, ironing.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
The babies, I will take care of them, feeding, making food, and make them to make clean and neat.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I know how to cook, and I'm willing to learn some food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I'm hardworking, I'm dedicated to my work, honest and loyal.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I promise to my employer to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.